Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to change keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro. If you're ready, our first step is to click the Edit tab in the top menu. Then, open the Keyboard Shortcuts page. As you can see, all the letters on your keyboard and their assigned commands are listed here. The first thing you need to do is select Custom from the Preset section. This way, you can continue using the default keyboard shortcuts by selecting Adobe Premiere Default whenever you want. Now click the key you want to modify or add a command to. As you can see, this section shows the command assigned to the Z key. If I press only the Z key, it selects the zoom tool. If I press both the Ctrl and Z keys, it undoes the action. If you want to assign a command to a key and that key already has a command assigned to it, you must delete that command. You can do this by clicking the X icon next to the command. For example, I've currently removed the zoom tool shortcut from the default Z key and will assign it to another key. That's why I'm searching for the zoom tool in the left-hand section. Next, I double-click the empty space next to the zoom tool and then press the key I want to assign it to once. Finally, I save the settings by clicking the OK button in the bottom right corner. I hope this step-by-step tutorial video on how to change keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.